Saving versus investing, the difference that can make you rich. You've heard it all your life. Save your money, and that's great advice. You probably have a savings account right now, maybe a piggy bank at home. But what if I told you there's a fundamental difference between saving and investing, and that understanding this one difference is the key to building real wealth? Today, we are breaking down the two most important actions you can take with your money and showing you which one can truly make you rich. The old way, the art of saving. Let's start with saving. It's simple, right? You earn money, and you put a portion of it aside. Saving is all about safety and accessibility. You put money in a savings account because you need to access it quickly for a short-term goal, like an emergency fund, a new car, or a vacation next year. Think of saving like storing water in a tank. The water is safe, it's there when you need it, and its volume doesn't change. This is the great strength of saving. It gives you security. But it also has a major weakness. Your money isn't growing. In fact, due to inflation, the value of that water in your tank slowly evaporates. $100 today will not buy you $100 worth of goods 10 years from now. Saving is about preserving value, but not creating it. The new way, the power of investing. Now, let's talk about investing. Investing is a completely different game. Instead of storing your money, you are putting it to work. You're using it to buy assets, things like stocks, bonds, or real estate that have the potential to grow over time. Think of investing not as storing water, but as planting a seed. You put a seed in the ground, and with time, it can grow into a tree, producing fruit, or even become part of a larger forest. Investing is about creating value. There's a downside, of course. Just like a seed might not grow into a tree, an investment can lose value. There's an element of risk and volatility, but this risk is what gives you the potential for significant rewards, the difference that makes all the difference. So, what's the golden rule? Saving is for short-term goals. Investing is for long-term goals. Saving is for security. You need a safety net for unexpected events or for a purchase within the next few years. That's your emergency fund, and it belongs in a high-yield savings account. Investing is for growth. You need to build a nest egg for retirement, a down payment on a house in a decade, or a child's college fund. These goals are far enough away that your money has time to ride out the ups and downs of the market and grow substantially. This is the secret to wealth. It's not about finding a magic stock or a hidden trick. It's about understanding that your money can either sit still and lose value, or it can work for you and multiply. This simple principle is the one difference that truly separates the wealthy from everyone else. Saving is the foundation, but investing is how you build the skyscraper. If you're ready to stop just saving and start making your money work for you, hit that subscribe button. In our next video, we'll dive deep into the most powerful concept in finance, the power of compounding. You'll see exactly how your money can grow exponentially over time, and it's something you absolutely need to understand. See you there.